One.
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Jollibee, nahanap ang comfort kay nanay. Jollibee, ano bang napansin mo, Jollibee, at bigla kang nalungkot? Jollibee, sabihin mo sa amin, anong napansin ng ating best friend? Ayan, nakikita naman daw ni Jollibee na nakatayo naman ang lahat pero hindi kumakanta. Kaya naman this time, gusto daw ni Jollibee ay kantahan natin si John para this time, mas malakas at mas masigla!
Jolly birthday to you.
Jolly birthday!
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
One more time!
Jolly birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Jolly birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Ayan, okay now, John, you will now make a wish and blow your candles.
Wish!
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang.
Give mommy more money!
Ayan, at syempre sabay-sabay nating batiin si John ng happy birthday in 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday! At kaya dahil dyan, sigtan po muna tayong lahat. Dahil this time, nakapagbigay na po si Jollibee ng kanyang birthday wish for John. This time naman po, hihingi naman natin ang birthday wish ni Ma'am Gracelyn for John. Ayan, ma'am. Dito po tayo sa ating unahan, Ma'am Gracelyn. Wish po natin for Kuya John.